Chris Ahlum here with Ahlum Arbor Tree Preservation. We're here to answer the questions that you guys have posed to us on social media. Every month we're going to answer a couple questions that you guys have. We're partnering with Franklin Park Conservatory, so follow us or Franklin Park Conservatory on our social media and ask questions. Today we have 3 questions we're going to answer. The first one is about boxwoods, fungal issues attacking my boxwoods. And unfortunately there's a lot of issues attacking boxwoods today. There's winter damage, there's salt damage, there's a couple fungal diseases, volutella, phytophthora, there's boxwood blight. Now there's even a new disease that they found that are attacking the boxwoods. And down in Cincinnati, there's something called box tree moth that they're seeing that's an insect attacking the boxwoods. The problem is that a lot of these are very similar and it's hard to tell the difference between them. So my recommendation is to contact a certified arborist, contact an expert that can come out and take a look at these boxwoods that you're concerned about and be able to tell the difference, because some are treatable, some aren't treatable, and if they are treatable, sometimes there's a little bit difference in how you treat them. So definitely find an expert, send a sample to a diagnostic lab, but that's kind of what's going on with the boxwoods, unfortunately.